Every one of you heard the word called insulin, isn't it? What is insulin? Insulin is a hormone produced by pancreas that control the amount of glucose in our bloodstream, and it also helps to store glucose in our liver, fat and muscles. Are you thinking why I am talking about insulin? Are we discussing anything related to biology here? No. Let's see what is there in today's video. Hello everyone, I am Srinivas Bisala. You are watching Chemistry is Easy. In this video, let us find out how to calculate minimum molecular mass. The reason why I talked about insulin is because the numerical taken here is related to insulin. Let's see the numerical. Insulin contains 3.4% sulfur. Then what is the minimum molecular mass of insulin? So we need to find out the minimum molecular mass of insulin, and in that insulin there is 3.4% of sulfur. It is a very simple numerical, and I got this here only for making you to practice a different pattern numerical. Let's see how to solve this. Here it is given that 100 grams of insulin, 100 grams of insulin, this one contains 34 grams of sulfur. This is given, and we need to find out the minimum molecular mass. So how we will be calculating the minimum molecular mass? So the meaning of this one is, by considering sulfur, by taking sulfur into consideration, we need to find out the minimum molecular mass. Means there should be some minimum amount of sulfur in this particular insulin, based on which we need to calculate the minimum molecular mass. So minimum molecular mass means there should be at least, in this case, 1 gram atom of sulfur. There should be at least 1 gram atom of sulfur. And what is the value of 1 gram atom of sulfur? This is nothing but 32 grams of sulfur. If you take one molecule of insulin, definitely there should be one sulfur atom. It cannot be 0.25 sulfur atom or 0.5 sulfur atom. Minimum it will be one sulfur atom in one molecule of insulin. We are talking about a minimum value, but I will tell you what is the exact formula of insulin later on after solving the numerical. When we take 1 mole of insulin, definitely it should possess 1 gram atom of sulfur, isn't it? So based on this information, we need to solve further. Let's see. So 100 grams of insulin, this one contains 3.4 grams of sulfur. And in order to get the minimum molecular mass of insulin, there should be 1 gram atom of sulfur, means 32 grams of sulfur. So when 32 grams of sulfur is there, what will be the mass of the insulin? That itself will become the minimum molecular mass, isn't it? So it is 32 divided by 3.4 multiplied by 100. So this is 3200 divided by 3.4. After solving, you will be getting it as 941. When we take 32 grams of sulfur, then 941 grams of insulin will be formed. And of course, as we are talking about a minimum molecular mass, we say that it is 941 AMU. The minimum molecular mass of insulin is 941 AMU, and that is there in option A, isn't it? 940 AMU is given here. So let me give you the exact formula of insulin. Let us see how many atoms of sulfur are there. This is the formula of insulin. This is only for knowledge purpose. C256, H381, N65, O76, S6. Whenever there are 6 gram atoms of sulfur, whenever there are 6 gram atoms of sulfur, that results in formation of 1 mole of insulin. That's the meaning of the molecular formula or the molecular mass. And when you add all the atomic masses, you will get the molecular mass of insulin as 5778. This is the molecular mass of insulin, 5778, and it contains 6 gram atoms of sulfur. And this numerical is different, where it was given that there is only 3.4 grams of sulfur in 100 grams of insulin, and we need to calculate the minimum molecular mass, and that is done by considering that there should be at least 1 gram atom of sulfur, that is 32 grams of sulfur, and we got the answer as 941. So based on this knowledge, now you need to try this question and give me the answer in the comment box. It is given that 25 grams of MCl4 contains 0.5 mole chlorine, and you need to find out the molecular mass. I repeat, when 25 grams of this particular chloride contains 0.5 mole of chlorine, you need to find out the molecular mass of this particular compound MCl4. I hope that you got the concept of how to calculate the minimum molecular mass. See you in next video with a different numerical. Thank you very much.